Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my morning skincare routine with you, featuring some of my favorite products that help me start the day feeling fresh and radiant. First up, I like to cleanse my face with the Sulwhasoo cleansing foam. It gently removes impurities and leaves my skin feeling clean and revitalized. If I wear makeup, I use the oil cleansing foam from Sulwhasoo, and that gets the job done too. I do a double cleanse if I wear makeup. I like to use cleansing foam in general just because it gets the skin clean, and especially in the morning because I like that fresh feeling in my skin. And as you can see, I'm going thorough and really getting in there and like scrubbing it. Not too rough. I just go in circular motion and like go upwards. That's how I learned in cosmetology schools. You want to go upward. Once I'm done cleansing, I rinse the product off my face, and I'm using cold water to get it out. For me, this is part of my me time just because I don't get much of that. And it's like a self-care that I enjoy doing in the morning. Kind of like a mini spa for me. It's really therapeutic. Before I dive into the next skincare, I like to give my skin a little TLC. So I grab a clean towel and gently pat my face dry. Now that I'm squeaky clean and ready to roll, let's move on to the next step in my morning skincare routine. Next, I applied the ordinary hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and plump my skin. The lightweight serum is a staple in my routine for its hydrating properties. Moving on to the Glow Recipe Niacinamide. This serum helps to brighten and even out my skin tone, leaving me with a healthy, glowing complexion. To me, it's like a shot of espresso for your skin, waking it up and saying goodbye dullness, hello radiance. For the delicate skin around my eye, I love using the Henriksen Banana Eye Cream. Its rich formula helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and puffiness, giving me a well-rested look. I also like using it as an eye primer. Now it's time to moisturize with the Augustinus The Rich Cream. This luxurious cream deeply nourishes my skin, keeping it soft and supple throughout the day. It is pricey, but it goes a long way. As you can see, I use a little bit. This alone can hydrate your whole face, to be honest. But I'm extra. Last but certainly not least, sun protection is key. So I always finish off my morning routine with the Shiseido sunscreen stick. It provides broad spectrum SPF protection while being easy to apply and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention a crucial step in my morning routine, lip care. I like to apply a generous layer of Clinique Lip Treatment for moisture. It keeps my lips soft and hydrated throughout the day. And there you have it, my morning skincare routine using some of my favorite products. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.